Hi, in this video I will show you the example of simple interest. Okay, first example 1, 500 ringgit is invested at 6% per annum for 2 years. Find A, the interest earned, B, the simple amount. Okay, first you have to list down all the information given from the question. Okay, first 500 is invested means the principal P is equal to 500. And then 6% per annum is the interest rate R is equal to 6% or equal to 0.06. And 2 years is the term of investment, which is T is equal to 2 years. Okay, for question A, find the interest earned means we want to find I. So we use the formula I equal to PRT, which is equal to 500 times 0.06 times 2. So the interest earned is equal to 60 ringgit. And then for question B, we want to find the simple amount. Means we want to find the accumulated value at the end of 2 years, which is S. So we use the formula S is equal to P plus I, which is the original principal 500 plus the interest earned 60 ringgit. So S is equal to 560 ringgit. Or we can use the formula S is equal to P times 1 plus RT, which is equal to 500 times 1 plus 0.06 times 2 is equal to 560. Now we look at example 2. Amir deposit a sum of money from a bank with an interest rate 5%. Okay. After 4 years, he earned 200 ringgit as an interest. Find the amount of money Amir deposits. Okay, based on this question, he earned 200 ringgit as an interest. Means I is equal to 200. And 5% is the interest rate, which is equal to 0.05. And T is equal to 4 years. Okay, based on the question, we want to find P. Okay, since we want to find the amount of money Amir deposit. Okay, so now we look at which formula that we can use to find P. Okay, first, S equal to P plus I. Okay, we cannot use this formula since there is no information about S. Okay, same with the formula S equal to P times 1 plus RT. Okay, therefore, we use the formula I is equal to PRT, which is substitute I is equal to 200 equals to P times 0.05 times 4. So P is equal to 1000 ringgit. Next, example 3, a debt of 1000 ringgit borrowed due in 20 months at 8.5% simple interest. Find A, the original loan, B, the simple interest charge. Okay, so from the question, 1000 ringgit is S, R is equal to 0.085, and T is given, the term is given in month, 20 months. So remember, T is the term in years. So T is equal to, so for this question, T is equal to 20 over 12. Okay, so for the first question, we want to find the original loan, which is P. Okay, just like the previous slide, we will look at which formula that we can use to find P. Okay, I is equal to P times R times T. Okay, we cannot use this formula since there is no information about I. Okay, same with S is equal to P plus I. Okay, even though there is a term P here. Okay, so for this question, we use the formula S is equal to P times 1 plus RT. Okay, in order to solve P. So substitute S 1000, R 0.085, and T is equal to 20 over 12. Therefore, the original loan P is equal to RM 875.91. Okay, for question B, we want to find the simple interest charge, which is I. So, we use the formula I is equal to S minus P, which is the value of P is from question A. So, 1000 minus 875.91. So, I, the interest charge, is equal to RM 124.09. Okay, example 4. To buy new knives for his restaurant, Mr. Cheff borrowed 800 ringgit for 3 years and 6 months and paid 1,148 on the loan. Okay, what rate of interest did he pay? Okay, for this question, 800 ringgit is the amount borrowed, which is P. Okay, and then he has to pay after 3 years and 6 months, he has to pay 1,148, which is S. Okay, and then the term of the loan is 3 years and 6 months. Means we write as T is equal to 3 years. Okay, 6 months is 6 over 12. Therefore, T is equal to 3.5 years. Okay, so the question is, what rate of the interest did he pay? So we want to find R. So for this question, we can use formula I equal to PRT or S equal to P times 1 plus RT. Okay, because based on the question, we have S, P, and T. Okay, what about the formula I is equal to PRT? Okay, we can find I first by using formula I equal to S minus P. So substitute S 1,148 minus P 800. So the interest is 348. And then we use the formula I equal to PRT, which is substitute I 348 equals to 800 times R times 3.5. Therefore, R is equal to 0.1243. Okay, remember, R must be in percentage since R is the simple interest rate. So, times with 100%, we get R equal to 12.43%. Okay, we can use the formula S equal to P times 1 plus RT, which is substitute all the values into the formula, and then we get R is equal to 12.43%. Okay, next example 5. Zara borrows 275 ringgit from a bank at an interest of 12.5%. How long does it take to settle 481.25 at the end of loan? Okay, so from this question, P is equal to 275 ringgit, and then S is equal to 481.25, and R is equal to 12.5% or 0.05. 1 to 5. Okay, so the question is, we want to find the term of the loan, which is T. Okay, so to solve this question, we can use either by using formula I equal to PRT, since we have P and T. Okay, for I, we can find by using I equal to S minus P. Okay, or we can use formula S equals to P times 1 plus RT, since we have S, P, and R. Okay, first we look at the first solution. Find I first, which is S minus P, 481.25 minus 275. So the interest is 206.25. And then substitute the formula, substitute into the formula I equals to PRT, which is 206.25 equals to 275 times 0.125 times T. Therefore, T is equal to 6 years. Or we can use the formula S equal to P times 1 plus RT. Substitute all the values into the formula, and then we get the same answer, which is T is equal to 6 years. That's all. Thank you. Don't forget to see more example in next video.